Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small and mid-cap market every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great investment. It's Friday, August the 7th. Typically, you'd expect to be a slow news cycle day in the middle of the summer. Not the case. I got 4 great press releases for you from all over the world. Let's start you off first with American Oriental Bionengineering trades on the NYSE under AOB. They put out their second quarter numbers. As you can guess, it's a pharmaceutical company. Here are the highlights. Revenue, $71.2 million, up 20.7%. Gross profit, $41.6 million. That's up just under 4%. Net income, $13.2 million. That's down from $13.9 million. Still a great number. Turns out to be about 17 cents per share compared to 18 cents per share for the same quarter last year. As of June 30th, I love this number. The company has about $101 million in cash and generated approximately $23 million of operating cash flow during the second quarter of 2009. This is why I love these Chinese companies. The company closed yesterday at $5.24, a little below its midway range. 52-week high, 960. 52-week low, 320. Great numbers. Congratulations to those guys. Go take a look. Next up, more China. This is China Holdings acquisition. Trades on the AMEX under HOL. They announced that they're acquiring a leading Chinese construction materials company. This is a definitive share purchase agreement. The new company is going to be called China Ceramics. They're acquiring Jinjiang Hengda Ceramics. They're expecting this deal to be completed by November the 21st. CHAC is going to issue 5.7 million shares to Hengda, representing an initial enterprise value of about $101 million. So this is a big deal. In addition, another 8.2 million shares we place in escrow on achieving a couple of different type of targets. 1, incentive shares for the exceeding financial targets, and 2, price target shares for exceeding certain price targets. A quick business overview: Hengda Ceramics, which is being acquired, is a manufacturer of ceramic tiles for exterior siding and for interior flooring and design in residential and commercial buildings. Their revenue in 2008 was $113 million, so obviously they're a significant player. Net income, $24 million. EBITDA, $30 million. This is a big acquisition. It's a really big deal. Good company here. A little bit about China Holdings. It's one of these holding companies we see every once in a while. It's a blank check company focused on acquiring companies with primary operations in Asia through merger, capital stock exchange, stock purchase, you name it. They're just trying to merge them. Closed yesterday, $9.60. Really tight 52-week trading range. 968 on the high, 820 on the low. Market cap about $153 million right now. They don't have any operations. They don't have an operating business. It looks like this is their first one, but do your own due diligence. Next up, Chembio Diagnostics, switching over to the U.S. They trade on the OTC under the stock symbol CEMI. They put out their second quarter numbers. This is a point-of-care diagnostic test company, and they're reporting their first quarterly profit since their merger in May 2004. Revenue, $3.37 million, up significantly from $2.72 million. This for the quarter ending June 30th, by the way. Net income, about $110,000. Not a big number. It's less than 1 cent per share. However, it's a trend that we like to see with these small and mid-cap companies. This compares to a net loss of about $363,000 and a loss of 1 cent per share. So significant improvement to both the top and bottom line. This is what we want to see. The results included about $1.6 million of revenues from the sale of their rapid HIV test. This is real serious stuff, to their exclusive U.S. marketing partner for its FDA-approved rapid HIV test. This is an increase of about $737,000 or 174%. So that's good news. Obviously means their rapid HIV test is achieving increasing commercial acceptance. They've got 2 FDA PMA-approved rapid HIV tests, which are marketed in the U.S. by Inverness Medical Innovations. They closed yesterday at 13 cents. Gives them a market cap about $8 million. I got to tell you, this is something I'm even going to take a look at. I like the technology. I like the numbers. Their top and bottom line growth is great. Go take a closer look at them. And finally, Proginet also trades on the OTC under PRGF. They have put out their preliminary preliminary year-end 2009 financial results. We typically like to see that. Why? It means the company is anxious to let the world know that they've done very well, and they want to get the numbers out early, and then we'll confirm them through the audited numbers. This is a multi-platform file transfer solutions company. These are results for the fiscal year ended July 31st. They're expecting revenues to come in about $9.3 million. Pretty significant. That compares to revenue of $7.6 million. So you got some pretty significant growth, about 30% if I did a quick calculation in my head. Operating expenses are going to come in at $9.7 million. That looks like that means they're going to end up with a bit of a loss for the year. However, that does include one-time charges related to severance, termination, and restructuring fees. So it looks like they've done some streamlining over there. Got to take a look at that. They've also increased their cash position from the third quarter to $1.1 million, and carry absolutely no debt. Got to make sure that did that $1.1 million come from operations, or did it come from a capital raise? You got to take a look at that. But all the way around, good numbers. Full audit is expected to be out around September 22nd to confirm these numbers. Take a look at that. They closed at 62 cents yesterday. Their high, 52 weeks, 99 cents. Their low, 25 cents. Good numbers. Market cap, $9.2 million, which basically means they're trading at 1 times revenue. And if they're growing, then you probably should be giving them a better revenue multiple. But do your own due diligence. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small and mid-cap companies, make your way over to AGORACOM. Take a look at the front page. 2 things you'll see. The best news coming out of 5 different industries over the last few days. Second, a directory of companies, about 65 of which with full descriptions, quick descriptions, so you can quickly find the one that benefits and suits your portfolio. And about another 1,000 companies there that you can take a look at and see what they've got going on. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. See you on Monday.